Now, welcome viewers. Now we see question 2 of sub-question 2 of question 1 of exercise 3.2. It is 5 pencil and 7 pens together cost rupees 50, whereas 7 pencil and 5 pens together cost rupees 46. Find the cost of a pencil and that of a pen. Now, from the question, you see that two things are unknown here. One, the cost of a pencil, and another cost of a pen. That means you will suppose, let cost of a pencil be it is rupees X and cost of a pen it be rupees Y. Now see the condition first. Cost of 5 pencils plus cost of 7 pens equal to 50. Cost of 5 pencil plus cost of 7 pens equal to 50. Cost of 1 pencil X, then cost of 5 pencil it is 5X, plus cost of 7 pens it is 5Y, as cost of 1 pen is Y. It is equal to 50. This one is equation 1. Now second condition, 7 pencils and 5 pens together cost 46. That is cost of 7 pencils plus cost of 5 pens equal to 46. Cost of 7 pencils it is 7X plus cost of 5 pencil it is 5Y equal to 46. This one is equation 2. Now take equation 1 and find its two solution. Equation 1, 5X plus 7y is equal to 50, then 5X is equal to 50 minus 7y. X equal to 50 minus 7y by this 5. Now choose any one value of y, let y is equal to 5, put here. Then you will get 50 minus 7 into y, 5 by 5. Then this 50, 7 5 is 35 minus 35 by 5. 50 minus 35 it is 15 by 5, 5 3 is 15, x equal to 3. Therefore x equal to 3, y is equal to 5. Put y is equal to 0 in the same equation. This term will be 0, then you will get x equal to 50 by 5. 50 minus 7 into 0 by 5. This one is 0, therefore you will get 50 by 5, 5 10 is 50. Then x equal to 10, y is equal to 0. Now similarly you will solve the equation 2. Equation 2 is 7x plus 5y is equal to 46. 7x equal to 46 minus 5y. X equal to 46 minus 5y by 7. Now choose any value of y. Suppose it is 5. Put here, then you will get 46 minus 5 into 5 by 7. 46, 5 5 is 25 by 7. 46 minus 25, 21 by 7. 7 3 is 21. X equal to 3 and y is equal to 5. Similarly, put y is equal to minus 2 here. Then you will get 46 minus 5 into minus 2 by 7. This 46 minus minus plus 10 by 7. 56 by 7, 7 8 is 56. Then x equal to 8, y is equal to minus 2. Now we draw the graph. This is the x-axis, this one is the y-axis. Earlier we have solved and get the two solution of equation 1 and equation 2. The solution of equation 1, it is 3 5 and 10 0. पिछले जो इसमें मिला था हमको इसको पहले हम रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं यहाँ पर x इक्वल टू 3 y इक्वल टू 5, x इक्वल टू 3 y इक्वल टू 5. This point will be the 3 5. X equal to 10, y equal to 0, x equal to 10 this point, y equal to 0 this, that means this point it is 10 0. Join these 2 points with the scale and you will get a line. This one is the graph of equation 5x plus 7y equal to 10. Now second solution of the second equation, 3 5, 3 5, 3 5, that means same point. Then 8 minus 2. This one is x equal to 8 and y equal to minus 2. That means this point. Join these 2 points with the scale. These two this is the graph of the second equation. 7x plus 5y is equal to 46. Now these two graphs intersect at this point. Suppose this point is P and its coordinate is 3, 5. That means x equal to 3, y is equal to 5. X equal to 3, y is equal to 5. It is the solution. What is x? Cost of a pencil. It is rupees 3. And y, cost of a pen. Cost of pen is equal to rupees 5. This one. Sorry. This P, coordinate of this is 3, 5. Therefore, solution x equal to 3, y is equal to 5. What is x? Cost of a pencil, it is rupees 3, and cost of a pen, it is rupees 5. This one is the answer. Now question number 2. This question number 2. On comparing A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2, find out the equations intersect at a point, are parallel, or coincident. There are 3 questions in question 2. I am going to solve question number 1, and remaining 2 questions you have to solve in the same way as I am doing this question. The question is 5x minus 4y plus 8 equal to 0, and the second is 7x plus 6y minus 9 equal to 0. Now, as you know, the standard form of the linear equation in 2 variables, a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, and system of equation, there will be another equation, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. That means this one is the first equation, this one is second equation. Similarly, this one is the first and this one is the second. Now compare the coefficient of x, y and constant term. Here a1 it is equal to 5, b1 equal to minus 4 and c1 equal to 8. Similarly, a2 it is 7, b2 6 and c2 minus 9. This one is a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. Therefore, a1 is equal to 5, b1 is equal to minus 4, c1 is equal to 8. a2 is equal to 7, b2 is equal to 6 and c2 is equal to minus 9. Now calculate a1 by a2. This a1 by a2 equal to a1 5 by a2 7. It is in simplest form, leave here. Now b1 by b2, b1 minus 4 by b2 6. Since 4 and 6 both are divisible by 2, divide it. 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6. Then it will be minus 2 by 3. C1 by C2, it is 8 by C2 minus 9. It is in simplest form. Now compare. This 5 by 7 is not same as this minus 2 by 3. That means this one is not equal to this. That is A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. ये दोनों same नहीं मिला, means ये not equal to this. And this condition show that the equation intersect at a point. Now, you remember this thing. These are the 3 conditions which you have seen earlier. For intersect at a point or unique solution, ये condition मिलती है. If A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2, then you will say the system of equation intersect at a point or system of equation have unique solution. Number 2, if A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2, means ये number और ये number same हो और ये number अलग है, that means A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2, then you will say the lines are parallel. And if all these 3 are equal, that is like this, then you will say the lines are coincident. Now you will solve the remaining question of question 2 with this. Thank you.